In this 5-minute endgame video, I'm going to show you the Lucena position. The Lucena position is one of the most commonly occurring endgames, and it's when you have a rook and a pawn, but your opponent only has a rook, and your pawn is about to promote, but your king is covering the promotion square. This is an essential one to learn because you can't learn other rook endgames without learning how to do this, because we're about to see some really important concepts. So how do we go about solving this? Well, right now there's only really one obvious move, and that's checking the king, because what else can we do really? Because our king's blocked in like that and like that. So yeah, let's give a check. King moves out the way. But bear in mind as well, if king goes there, we promote straight away because we move our king here, we can't be checked, and yeah, we're going to promote. So yeah, king has to move out the way. Now what? It does make sense for our king to come out because we're protecting this square here. That's what we want to promote down. But if we do this, we'll just keep getting checked. And if we try and attack the rook by zigzagging, we'll just lose the pawn. Imagine we come here, we just lose the pawn. So moving the king by itself is not enough. So yeah, what else can we do? So instead of bringing our king out, we can instead build the bridge. We do that by going rook to the 4th rank. You'll see why this is so effective in a second. So let's say black just moves the rook. Now we can bring our king out. Now the checks that worked before don't work anymore because, watch this, if they check us hoping to not let our king make progress, they will be upset when our rook blocks the check. The rook is shielding the check and the pawn can promote. It can't be stopped now because let's say like takes, and then they can't catch it. So yeah, that is called building the bridge, and that's the main sort of concept of the Lucena from the attacking side. On a quick side note, if when we move our rook to the 4th rank, they attack the rook, try to be active, we just go here and next move we will go there and promote because that can't be stopped. So don't be scared when they attack the rook. So in summary, instead of moving the king out straight away, we first go to the 4th rank, yeah, and then bring our king out and then build the bridge. It's important to know what to do in the Lucena position if you're winning, because black can actually get into drawn positions, like the one here. So right now, black can just give side checks, and white will either lose the pawn or get a repetition. Let's say they move away, we just go here, win the pawn. And if they keep trying to protect the pawn, we'll just keep checking and it will be a draw. Because if they attack our rook, we'll just take the pawn. The reason why this is effective in this example is because, let's go back to the start. This is the long side, so there's enough squares away from the rook is enough squares away from the king to not be attacked when it gives the next check, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is another concept if you're defending the Lucena position, is give checks on the long side. So this is the short side. So this is what happens if black gives checks on the short side. We will just not be able to get the pawn because the king is near enough to the rook to be able to threaten the rook when it moves away from check. So even if the rook comes here, we'll just go like here and it'll be fine. So yeah, important things to remember are, if you're with the extra pawn, is the bridge concept, and if you're defending, try and look for side checks to stop the pawn from promoting. Thank you very much for watching this 5-minute lesson. Obviously, I can't cover everything about the Lucena position in 5 minutes, but I hope you at least are introduced to the key important concepts, you know, side checks and building the bridge, because they will help you in so many other endgames and they're just essential pieces of knowledge. See you in the next video.